Subtraction means taking something away from a group or number of things, which means removing number or amount from another. It is used to find the difference between two numbers. This is the opposite function of addition. Now, here is the first example. You can see 4 ice creams here. Out of the 4 ice creams, 1 ice cream has been eaten by Rani. So, out of 4, if Rani has eaten 1 ice cream, how many will be left? So, out of 4, if 1 ice cream is been eaten, 3 will be remaining. So, 3 is the result. Second example. Here are 5 monkeys. So, out of 5 monkeys, if 1 monkey has run away, how many monkeys are left? Which means out of 5 monkeys, if 1 monkey has run away, then there will be 4 monkeys remained. Here is another example. Here are 4 stars. So out of 4 stars, if 2 stars are removed, how many will be left? 4 out of 4 stars, if 2 are removed, 2 stars will be left. Here is another example. So here are 3 birds on a branch. If out of 3 birds, 2 birds fly away, how many will be left on the tree? Which means 3 minus 2, there will be 1 bird left over on the tree. So here is an exercise for you to work out. So I'll give you one example. 7 minus 4, which means out of these 7 birds, if 4 birds are removed, then how many birds will be left over? Means out of 7, if 4 are removed, only 3 will be left over. So answer will be 3. Likewise, you have to work out all the remaining exercises.